I know it's been a while. It's been like a month now. Believe me, I've been wanting to make a video for a while, but I've been like, I just been in a funk lately. My car has literally been like a game changer for me, as far as like being able to help pay my rent and stuff and try to save up to get out of here. And it died on me. It's been sitting for like 3 weeks now. We pretty much tried everything, and sorry you guys, I know it's been a while. I've been wanting to put out content, and I just been really depressed lately. Like really depressed, like just because I'm trying to get a head start on the new year. I'm trying to get out of this place, at least try to attempt. And everything invested into this car. I put like, just in this month alone, this is the last day. This is New Year's Eve, and I'm gonna try to put this up because I'm just ready to get a head start, and this problem is just trying to hold me back. And I need to get this car back on the road because, DoorDash has actually been making me a decent amount of money, and it's been helping me out with a lot of things. So far, this month alone, I put like $500 into the car. I bought this battery because we thought it was a problem, but it wasn't. $200 for this battery. I knew 2 new tires for the front. I didn't have a choice. They were going bald. That was like $180. Got some fog lights. I forgot how much that was, but I think like $30, $40. And both lower control arms, they cost me like, I think it was like $100 something. I think that's I probably put more than $500 into this. And next thing you know, as soon as I put those front tires on, it just decided to just die. We tried jump starting it. Thought it was the battery. Got the battery. Oh, and I bought a starter. That was $60. Actually, it's right here. Brand new starter. Got it off eBay. We thought maybe the starter was a dud. Tested it. The starter was good. I already had it on like 3 or 4 times. It was hell getting it off and on in the cold, because I had to take it back off to get it tested. Didn't put it back on yet. This fuse that goes to the alternator from the starter, we thought this was maybe the culprit, but it's not. It's a 200 amp fuse. Tested it with the multimeter continuity setting, and it's got continuity going through it. So we checked all the relays. We've been bought new relays, and that still wasn't the problem. So now I've been doing mad research on YouTube. I've probably been doing research for like a good 2 weeks now, and there could be a lockout issue because these newer cars got like anti-theft. So what happened was, it was like 3 weeks ago, I was getting ready to try to get back out there and start working, and it was like below 20 or something like that, or like 20 degrees. Started it. Next thing you know, lights start flickering, and I believe that was, the dash. Everything on the dash was like flickering. Like, what the heck? And that's because I believe the battery was dying. So I think it died out, or I turned it off. Tried to start it again, and it wouldn't start. As the last time I was able to start it. And we thought it was a battery, and nope, it wasn't. So I spent $200 on a battery for nothing, because we put it back in and still didn't start. That's when I got the starter and then found out that wasn't the problem. Starter was good. I went to go get it tested. Like I said, put all new fuses in. I know there's an ignition fuse, and it's two different fuse boxes. One in the console seat in the cabin, and the main one under the hood. So there's two fuses inside there that are the ignition, number 8 and number 20. I tested those with the multimeter. They're good fuses. So we bought a new relay. I think 2 of them. Put them in there and under the hood. Still didn't work. So what I'm gonna do is, but I did check. There was something on. There was a bolt on. Oh, it's over here. On this thing I just showed you, the fusible link, the bolt that goes to the alternator. When I put a wrench on it to get it off, I think it was a 13 wrench. The fucking bolt was like not even tight. So I'm hoping that's what it is. Because if it's a lockout issue, anti-theft, that means I gotta pay for a new key. Well, I can try to program it first, the old key, because I'm thinking when the battery died, it kind of, it did the lockout mode or whatever it is, and that caused it not to be able to read my key, because the key has a chip inside of it, and that's probably gonna take like 30 minutes just to try to reset it or some shit. If that doesn't work, the actuator or whatever it's called, the chip, might be damaged, and I'll have to take it to a place to get a new. That's gonna cost another $100. If that doesn't work, I'm just gonna trash the fucking car and get rid of it, and just sell it as a whole, and just take my loss, because I'm kind of tired of this problem eating me up. I put too much money into it, and hopefully I can figure it out. So again, sorry I haven't put out content. This is the reason why, because everything's already wrapped into me just putting everything on hold to begin with. My music and everything I want to do, to try to just get out and do stuff I don't want to do to make money, to try to move, and then this fucking happens. So I'll take you guys along on a journey. We'll see if I can get this started. Oh, and today, yeah, it's today. It's New Year's Eve. Happy New Year's to everyone that got this far in the video. I'm going out to go get. I already got a multimeter. I'm probably gonna get like $70 worth of stuff. Attachments for my multimeter. I can't be out there working with these gloves, so I'm gonna get these thermal gloves. It's supposed to protect your fingers in 20-degree weather, and I'll just show you once I get all this stuff and what the first step's gonna be. So I'm probably not gonna be recording, but I'll just give you guys kind of like an aftermath of what's gonna happen, I guess, in this video. So, thank you for watching. Because this already went long enough, it might have to be the next video. So, peace out. Stay cool. It's a new year coming up, and I'm going to fight my way through this and figure it out. Because I don't give up very easily, so. Horrible out here, but it's nice. Out here at I just got me a really cool jacket. Holy crap, I gotta get out of here. I was gonna be working on a car today, right? It's not gonna happen. It's like every time I try to do something, it just gets worse and worse. But I like this though. This is really nice. I don't think I've ever been out in a van yet with the weather this bad. It's a snow truck right there. I mean, jeez. I'm going to Harbor Freight now so I can get the stuff. I just got this really cool jacket. What happened was, I already saw it before I tried it on. I was like 2 weeks ago, and I said I'm just gonna come back and get it. It's there. It was 50% off. I'll pay $10. It's really nice. It's Genesee Valley Mall. You can barely see it. Oh, it's getting bad. I was not expecting this today. Harbor Freight is just right across the street. I just gotta make it there. And that's it after that. I'm headed back to the house. Yeah, I think I can stop. Yeah. It's getting slick, real slick. The Harbor Freight's right in front of me. Pull into the parking lot early. Holy smokes. I don't even know if this is handicap or not, but I can't tell, so. Jeez. Yeah, got the heat working. This is bad. I just paid for this due yesterday, and it's already going to shit. Okay, this is what I got from Harbor Freight. Using this table as a work table for the car parts. I was gonna flip this table. I still am. I just haven't got around to it yet. But these are where the struts came from, and now I got shocks left in there. And these are fog lights I just ordered. This one I just got today. This is a circuit tester. This is Maddox, or you can read it. New flashlight. I think I bought about 2 years ago, same exact flashlight, and this is how it looks. Yeah, it's about 2 years now. It's a little cheeky, but same thing. I was gonna get two, but I was like, I don't want to spend too much. So, yeah, it's a lot brighter. And these are from a little headlamp, and that's pretty bright. And I got one more thing. this here. The only reason I got this is because this by itself was like $15. It's because my multimeter, I gotta have something that can adapt to these here, and that's what these things are. And that's the only reason I got it, because how else am I supposed to adapt this to the multimeter so I can do like continuity tests? But if I can actually do it with this, I'll probably take this back. So these are gonna be a lot longer. So yeah, that's it. I think I spent about $48 in Harbor Freight, $15 Home Depot, and I got this. This is like, I could not pass this up for the second time, and it was still there. It was 50% off, so I paid $10 for this at Salvation Army. This is like so cool. I just cleaned the place up. You should have seen it. I had nothing but just clothes everywhere for like probably ever since my car went dead. I've just been really depressed, and I'm gonna try to get it back together. So probably not in this video, but if I think I'm starting to figure something out, I'll continue this this video. Just got this due and it's already going crap. And as you can see, it's still snowing outside. I did not know I was going to be doing this today. I barely made it back in the van. It don't do too bad in the snow, but driving in the snow itself is good, but like ice, no way. It don't work too well. So, alright, thank you for watching. Peace out, stay cool. Stay tuned for the next video, because it's been way too long, and if you're not gonna get a video now, then yeah, I'll probably just lose myself or something and don't even know who the hell I am. So I gotta have something to keep me going, because if I don't have something to keep me going, then what the fuck am I doing? So, alright, stay tuned. There's a jacket. Oh, I really like the design. New freaking tripod, this thing sucks. I've been telling myself for years to get a new one. There, now you can really see it.